We will be studying the brachial plexus. I have find out how the brachial plexus works after 12 years of med school studies. Hope I will understand this. Hope I will retain this. Okay, it's like a tree. Okay, first we'll start with the roots. The tree first has roots. So roots, we have 1 2 3 4 5 roots. Okay, so C5, C6, C7, C8, T1, and then you have to make Y, two Y's, like C5 and C6 will make a Y, and it will go like this. C8 and T1 also will Y, and it will go like this straight. C7 doesn't have a Y, it will go just like this straight until the end. After roots it comes the trunks. Okay, so roots, after these trunks, the trunk of a tree. So this is the trunks, and then after trunks there will be divisions of the trunks, and then after the divisions there will be cords, and after the cords there will be branches. Okay, so when this Y will finish here in the branches, again it will make a Y. So this is the Y, this will go straight, and also this Y, but this Y, the upper part will connect to this Y here, and then this is a Y. Okay, so it's like this. So now we have we have these names of the trunks. The trunks are, we have three trunks: the superior trunk, the superior trunk, this is the inferior trunk, this is the middle trunk. Okay, likewise the divisions will be, again we will make a Y. We have, for every line we have anterior division and posterior division. So this is the anterior division, this will be the posterior division. Again from here, the one going up will be an anterior division, the one going straight is a posterior division. From down, the one going up will not be an anterior division, but it will be a posterior division. The one going straight will be an anterior division. Okay, and then the cords, we have the lateral cord, the posterior cord, and the middle cord. Okay, that's finished. So that now we are only left with the branches. So let's start with the branches. Branch, we will use the green ones for the branches. So from C5, C5, C6 and C7, they will connect together and will make a one branch. That branch means the terminal nerve roots, the terminal nerves which comes out from the brachial plexus. So this will be the long thoracic nerve, LTN, supplying the serratus anterior. From C5 also we have the phrenic nerve, contribution to the phrenic nerve. We will use the blue. Phrenic nerve going to the diaphragm, and the dorsal scapular nerve supplying the rhomboides major and minor, the shoulder muscles. Okay, so that's the roots, that's the branches coming out from the roots, three branches. From the trunks we have only branches coming out from the superior trunk. So from the superior trunk we have the suprascapular nerve supplying the supraspinatus and the infraspinatus, part of the rotator cuff muscle, and the nerve to subclavius, the subclavius muscle, which is a muscle found underneath the clavicle, which stabilizes the clavicle in shoulder rotation or whatever movements. And then there are no branches from the divisions. We'll go to the cords. We have 3 cords: lateral, posterior, medial. From the lateral cord we have the lateral pectoral nerve supplying the pectoralis major, which does the internal rotation of the humerus. So it is a lateral pectoral nerve, so we have a medial pectoral nerve too. So from the medial cord we have the medial pectoral nerve. It's not middle, it's medial pectoral nerve supplying both the pectoralis major and the pectoralis minor. We have the medial cutaneous nerve of the arm. It is a sensory branch supplying the sensory area of the arm and medial side, and then we have the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Okay, so that's the branches from the medial cord. From the posterior cord we have the rest, like the axillary nerve supplying the deltoid and the teres minor. We have the thoracodorsal nerve supplying the latissimus dorsi. We have the superior subscapular nerve and the inferior subscapular nerve supplying the subscapular nerve, and inferior subscapular nerve supplying the subscapular and the teres major. So these are the terminal branches. The terminal branches from up, we start with the musculocutaneous nerve supplying the brachialis, coracobrachialis, and the biceps brachii. This will be the median nerve supplying all the flexor muscles of the forearm. This will be the radial nerve supplying all the extensor muscles of the arm and the forearm. This is the ulnar nerve supplying part of the flexor muscles on the ulnar side and the intrinsic muscles of the hand. So this is the brachial plexus. It's easy. Hoping so.